Hi, it's Cassie with Cassie's Parlor, and today we're just going to make a really quick tag using some acrylic paint and stencils from the Crafter's Workshop. So I'm starting with a yellow paint and then putting some orange in between. I'm just kind of making the marks from my brush in that shape, and you could even do like a crosshatch or something like that. I just wanted a little bit of yellow, a little bit of orange in the background in sort of a messy way. And then I have an awesome stencil here that I'm using over the top and just using part of it in the middle there, and then covering the whole space where the stencil overlaps with the tag with this red heavy body acrylic paint from the Crafter's Workshop. And there's the reveal, my favorite part. Look at how beautiful that is. The red really is gorgeous on its own, and on top of that, yellow and orange stands out great. So I'm taking a little bit more yellow and making kind of a circle where I want the face of that sun. That sun is a die cut piece that was cut out of glossy black cardstock, and I'm just using some glossy gel medium so that it's got the same finish as the cardstock, in case a little bit, goes onto the top part. It works really well as an adhesive, that gel medium. And then I'm using the same gel medium for that sentiment on the bottom, and that's it. That's just a quick fun tag showing you a way you can use acrylic paint with stencils and make something fun and pretty very quickly. That sun was a die cut, as I said, and I just thought with those colors it would look really great. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration today. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.